what are the WebSockets? I prepared an example for you. Here, this is a simple WebSocket, like a test website. So WebSocket is a next generation bi-directional communication technology for web applications that operates over a single socket, and it's exposed via JavaScript interface in HTML5 compliant browsers. It makes it possible to open two-way interactive communication session between user browser and the server. And with this API, you can send messages to a server and receive event-driven responses without calling the server for a reply. And many modern chat applications, for example, WhatsApp, Viber, and multiplayer games uses underneath WebSockets to operate. So we need to be able to work with them, right? So again, DevTools gives you this possibility. We need to enable the network, and then you have a couple of listeners that can help you. For example, when we create the socket connection, we can find the URL of the initiator and the line number. When we receive a frame or a message, we can get the message here, the code, the mask was received. We can also receive error messages and when everything is closed. For now, I just print them here on the console that, everything was received or not. I'm not going to use time now to show you, but basically we're receiving all of these messages here, and we can assert them and we can check them, and you can simulate something inside these games or chat applications, which is pretty awesome.